A symbol of oppression. That's how Joseph Patterson, president of Jamaica's third political party, the United Independence Congress, has described his arrest in September, suggesting that it has made his movement stronger. Mr. Patterson told TVJ News that the UIC is now in preparation mode for the upcoming local government election.
Following his social media call for protest against vaccine mandates, UIC President Joseph Patterson was arrested in downtown Kingston on September 22. But Mr. Patterson now says that has proved to be a catalyst for the growth of his political party.
Well, since the arrest, it has been quite an increase in membership and an increase in funding from ordinary Jamaicans.
He says since September, the party's membership has quadrupled. Mr. Patterson was arrested and charged with breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, as the protest which he led far exceeded the stipulated gathering limit because of the COVID pandemic. Earlier this month, his lawyer filed a motion before the Supreme Court challenging the constitutionality of the DRMA, claiming that it is unconstitutional and violates Section 20 of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom.
I think it was a huge mistake by the government to infringe on people's rights the way that they have. And my arrest was just a symbol of the kind of thing that the Jamaican people do not want to see. They want to know that you can walk peacefully, you can march peacefully, you can protest peacefully and not be accosted, abused, or otherwise incarcerated by the police. And so people have responded to that, and so our membership is up. I'm also quite impressed by the diaspora. I mean, they have come out in droves supporting us.
With the increase in membership and funding, the party is now focusing on preparing for the local government election. Mr. Patterson says the party is now selecting candidates with the hope of fielding representatives for at least 150 of the over 220 municipal divisions up for election.
Our strongest representation right now is in St. Catherine. Outside of St. Catherine, Kingston, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Montego Bay, St. James in particular, Hanover. And so we're building out nicely, and we hope to have a good full slate by the time the elections are called.
In addition to the election preparation, he says the UIC is also putting its efforts into upholding the rights of persons who do not want to be vaccinated but are being forced to do so by their employers. Herman Green, TVJ News.